Huawei surprised the world by unveiling the Huawei Mate 60 Pro ahead of its scheduled launch event, much to the delight of eager users. The official reveal of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro showcases its top 5 standout features. Rumored to house the in-house Kirin 9000's chipset, the Mate 60 Pro's specifications hold immense promise. While benchmarking results are circulating online, it's important to note that this Pioneer Edition may not fully unleash its capabilities until after the official launch event. Anticipation surrounds this new chipset's prowess, exceeding the capabilities of the Kirin 9000 and marking a triumphant return for the Kirin series. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro introduces an innovative satellite communication feature that enables users to make calls via satellite during critical situations. This groundbreaking capability is a significant advancement, setting it apart from other devices like Apple's iPhone 14 series, which only supports emergency SOS and messages via satellite. The smartphone boasts a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen featuring a Vibrant Fhd plus resolution of 2720 x 1260 pixels. With support for an extensive range of 1.07 billion colors, this LTPO display offers an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The ability to scale down to 1 Hz not only conserves battery, but also enhances user experience. Notably, the display features 3 punch-hole cutouts, 1 for the selfie camera and 2 for 3D face unlock, which can be transformed into a dynamic smart capsule, similar to iPhone's Dynamic Island. The Mate 60 Pro comes pre-installed with HarmonyOS 4.0, bringing a host of exciting new features to the user interface and software. This update introduces visually appealing personalized themes and immersive interactive experiences, including panoramic weather wallpapers. Under the hood, Huawei's Arc engine enhances system fluidity by 20%, coupled with a 30-minute extension in battery life, an impressive achievement that boosts overall performance. The Mate 60 Pro's camera setup stands out with its adaptability and performance. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel shooter, featuring an adjustable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4.0. Accompanying this is a 48-megapixel 3.5x telephoto camera with f3.0 aperture, which also supports macro mode. An additional 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens completes the trio. Notably, the telephoto lens' narrower aperture suggests slightly different low-light performance compared to the P60 Pro's telephoto camera. However, the inclusion of macro capabilities is a welcomed feature. The camera system offers optical zoom of up to 3.5x and an astonishing 100x digital zoom. On the front, a 13-megapixel camera handles selfies and video calls. This early preview of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro has captivated users with its groundbreaking features across satellite communication, display technology, software enhancements, chipset power, and camera capabilities. The smartphone's diverse strengths place it at the forefront of innovation in the mobile industry. What do you think about the Mate 60 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.